Basic Space Coffee by BodinChapa Architects in PHRA NAKHON Ayutthaya, Thailand. Basic Space Coffee was originally a coffee shop that has been operating for a long time. It has diverse customers and a relatively stable. The shop has potential in terms of quality and location that is a prime location. However, with the existing building area that still lacks the appropriate space allocation according to the potential that the store has, it is unable to accommodate the customers sufficiently, including the changing of the era itself, thus causing the change. The designer interprets everything through traditional usage from the past. Since this area was a home, grocery store, restaurant, and comes to the current coffee shop, all forms of the family's use of the past have contributed to the gradual growth of the area and the building, according to the ability that has in that era, so we chose to keep as many histories of those areas as possible, to be a piece of family memory when there is a change to meet the needs of the current usage. The designers, therefore, have incorporated new designs and materials with what this space has to offer, creating a design that can go on for the future in a sustainable way. The design of Basic Space Coffee is the simplest interpretation of space design in the form of basic space to meet the use of many generations can access the atmosphere and share the space in harmony. The exterior frames of the building, such as the roof trusses and roof materials, were preserved because they were the first photos of the store. The designer chose to let the change begin with the interior space, by changing the original flat ceiling to be a slope ceiling along the gable roof, to add dimensions in the vertical axis to make the shop area looks more airy, revealing the original structure of the building and select the context of the original parts. It represents a successful piece in the restaurant era as well. Meet the needs of the owner who wants to keep it. Causing wooden table is thus welcomed in the most important role, such as a coffee bar. These are the table sets that the parents of each house bought. Therefore, it is also a piece of memories of many people. The cafe itself is surrounded by a set of wooden doors and windows to the furniture that hides the line details, that are the same as the causing wooden table sets. In addition to the interior seating area, a wooden table is used as the main piece of furniture at the outside table, including inside the house, and an island of the mother's Thai kitchen, also be a piece that connects each area of the home into one story. The outside seating area of the shop, as well as the light in the kitchen, opens a view of Klong Mokam Rieng, which is a canal that has a long history with the area. If the original context that the designer chooses to keep to creating questions and dialogue between people who have come to use the space in each era. Therefore, it is considered that the style of the design can meet the needs of the first intention as well. Adding new materials to the area does not destroy the original charm of this area, but pushing the original charm to continue in the modern era sustainably.